back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your Snapchat filters are just not working properly. So what does this mean? Well, essentially you may be actually looking at the bottom of your display and you may be seeing some filters over at the bottom, or maybe you're not seeing them. And or maybe you're going through and you're actually clicking on your specific, filter like this, and or your other filters are not working. Now, the first thing I would recommend looking at is to make sure you have your location on in Snapchat. Sometimes you will actually have to make sure you have your location enabled within the Snapchat application for this to even work in the first place. So what you want to do here is you want to go into your settings application on your Android, iPhone, whatever. You want to go into your application manager, find Snapchat. And all you want to do is make sure your location is enabled. Sometimes if there's not a location panel here, you can always go into privacy and security, location services, and just make sure that specific, location servers are enabled, and that should probably fix the issue for the most part. If that doesn't fix it, or if that doesn't work, another thing I'd recommend doing is going through into your app store right here and actually just looking up Snapchat and downloading that specific application or re-updating that application. So click up here, type in Snapchat just like how I'm doing it right now, and all you want to do here is just go ahead and just see if there's an update available. If there is an update, then you want to go ahead and update to it, and that's really all you have to do. So at this point you can see there's an update, just click update, and that's really all you have to do as of that point. Now for some reason that doesn't work, I would probably also recommend holding down on Snapchat and just reinstalling it. So go and just hold down Snapchat, edit home screen, delete the application, and then pretty much go on from there. That may end up fixing it too. If that doesn't end up fixing it, then I'd probably recommend going through and actually seeing if there's any updates like Snapchat, or seeing if Snapchat is down. That's another big issue. If you go to make your way over to a website like downdetector.com, so just like so, you can go ahead and go through here, and if for some reason Snapchat is down, it'll go and tell you. So just like how Instagram was down earlier, if Snapchat is down, it'll pretty much tell you too, and that's really all you have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.